This is how to maintain your furnace filter. You want to change it every month for the first year. After the first year, you can probably stretch it out to 2 or 3 months. Just use a similar filter to the ones that it comes with, and no need to buy a high-end expensive one. The paper pleated ones will be just fine. The high-end ones will get plugged up quicker, and it'll put a major strain on the motor and will burn it out quicker, or it'll just burn it out. So to do that, turn your switch off on the wall, the red switch in the wall at the basement. Turn him off, make sure the fan is off, slide it out, and pay attention to which direction the arrow on the new filter is. It'll point towards the furnace all the time. So slide the new one in, and don't forget to turn your switch back on for your furnace.